What advice would you have for practice owners? Are you still in a place where you think, yes, these tools are valuable?
Yeah, absolutely. I think they're incredibly valuable. I definitely think that as a practice owner, if I were to start with an AI tool, I would sit down and ask those hard questions. What are you doing with my data? Is my data being taken off-site, or is it being scrubbed as soon as it's being transcribed? Is it being collected for training purposes? And if so, what kind of security to store that data? Is there a possibility that you will sell at some point and sell that data? Asking those hard questions about data privacy and not being afraid to push and really look for accountability. And that's not to say that the accountability isn't there. The important thing is that you do your due diligence, because again, any loss of privacy for your client, any mistakes or other bad consequences from the use of the AI rests with your license. The other thing as a practice owner that I would do is say, what is the frequency of your errors? Are you keeping track of those things? What's your error reporting system? Are you working with your technology to make it less error prone? All of those things are, I think, part of our due diligence that we have as consumers of this technology. These questions that you're asking about, safety and liability and an ethical focus, they're not just limited to companies that are aimed at providing veterinary AI. They extend to all AI-related services used in your clinic.